Today, we're going to make a fun program that shows changes on the screen. Please watch the numbers on the micro-bit module. They change as the program runs. First, open the project you've downloaded and drag the program into the workspace. In this program, we use a slider to control what the micro-bit reads. When you move the slider, the value changes little by little. Look at the LED dots on the micro-bit screen. As you slide up and down, the dots move and change too. Watch the screen carefully and notice how it changes each time. You can keep exploring and find more changes by yourself.